We are demonstrating these Stoppaz to stop dogs from hurting themselves for turning on the stove and putting the gas in. So here you go, Jeannie. Well, wait. Show what this looks like first. Okay, that's what it looks like. You're supposed to put it behind there so a dog can't turn your stove on. And it goes in nicely. And then that's what happens. And it still can come on. So we're giving this a thumbs down because, and look, now it fell on the floor. So I think I'm going to return these stove Stoppaz for the dogs. This is what it looks like. That's my review. Thumbs down. Thanks for watching.